Hello traders and welcome to a new video on the website Pump.Fun. This is a website I just came across and have tested around a little bit, and I've actually made a profit somehow. Pump.Fun. This platform launched in January of this year, 2024, and essentially what they allow you to do is create any coin that you want immediately on Solana without any work. You just create it, market it, and you're good to go. You can also buy other people's coins as well. This is really how it works, as you can see right here. If you ever want to start a new coin, you click start a new coin, and you just do this, and it only costs this much Solana to deploy. So far, the strategy that I think probably works best on this is to go after the king of the hill. So the way that this platform works is there's a bunch of people who are going to be creating their own token and trying to get you to buy it. But in order for you to make money, you need to buy before others buy, even on a website as crazy as this. So I want to show you guys a few of the coins and see if you could actually beat the market. Let's get into it. So let's look at the king of the hill currently. Currently, I mean, this thing launched 2219 and went up 700%. I will say when you're trading on this platform, the fees really aren't that bad. And I'm going to show you guys a few test trades. I don't really want to go over too many comments because I don't want to get demonetized. But you can see all of the trades right here, and there is zero latency, as you can see right here. You can see the holder distribution as well. Also, when this was crowned King of the Hill, 623, my strategy that I've done to actually somehow make a little bit of money on this platform is to buy whenever a coin becomes King of the Hill. But yeah, as you can see, there are a ton of transactions, and you can see everyone's name as well. The whole purpose of this is that because you can only create the token on this platform, it's harder to rug, you know? And also, not only that, but they also offer something called front-running protection. So if I wanted to, I could do this, and I could go into enable front-running protection. And you see you have to pay a little bit of a fee. But if you have like a large size, I guess, and you don't want to be front run, this is one thing that you could do. I also like the 1% max slippage. So that's really how this platform works. It is absolutely insane. So if we want to sort by market cap to see the absolute largest coin, it's this one. As we can see, I mean, this one is actually trading at 29 cents, which is insane. And it actually was listed on Radium. So the way that this website works is you can buy or sell coins, any coin you want on the platform. And if it gets to 100%, it gets launched onto Radium. And then it becomes more legitimate, which is crazy. So this asset, actually, I want to see what it started at. Yeah, this one's been trading for a long time. So this one actually launched from this website. And from this all-time high, look at that. The percent return is insane. But the odds of you actually finding this coin, and getting lucky enough to buy it and then not sell it, I mean, it's just really, really, really insane. But this is just a really cool platform. What I will say, though, this is a very gambler-esque platform. You have to be very, very careful because it really does suck you in, I will say. Actually, you know what? This one just became King of the Hill. So I'm actually going to do a little test trade. 0.05 on Pablo, and we'll see how this goes. It might go well, it might not. Looks like it didn't go through that time because it said buying 0, I think. Did it go through? Yeah, I don't know if it went through. Well, if I click sell, I can see if it went through. Yeah, it did go through. Awesome. Okay. So as you can see, the transaction actually did go through. I bought 0.05 worth of Pablo. That's why it says I'm actually able to sell it. I bought it so quickly that, yeah. So my trade was actually right here. On this crazy, crazy, crazy website. I bought 0.05 23 seconds ago. Yep, that's me right there 23 seconds ago. I bought 1.68 million Pablo, and you can see that corresponding with this sell right here. Now, if you want to, you could say things like, love the coin, send it, stuff like that. Yeah, this platform, it's very meme-ish, but I think that there's got to be some ways that you can actually make money on this platform. I mean, a lot of this is just a meme, but I do think that there are some things you can do to beat other users and, become the king, as you can see. So this is a platform that I find is absolutely insane. Somehow I've actually made money on this platform. I don't really even know how. All that I've been doing is just buying the King of the Hill. This is the one that I just bought. And then just going from there. Yeah, so this is one that is just really, really, really insane, to say the least. So I want to go back to, actually, I don't really want to show you guys how to set up your account because it's super simple. And if you've used DeFi before, you're going to see that it's really, not too tough. So sort by bump order, we can see some of these: order ascending, descending. I think this is the coin. Yeah. Oh, this one hit 100%. Got it. So I do want to see which one I can actually sell. I've made a lot of transactions on these just random coins. Let's see this coin right here. Yeah, really nothing has happened. As you can see, I got it. If you want to see the current price of what you have these tokens at, you can see if I click this, I bought it for 0.05 Solana, right? And it's at 0.048 in value if I wanted to sell it. So nothing has happened. No one's bought it. No one's really done anything. You can see that there was a flurry of trades before. Actually, a lot of Solana going into this coin, as you can see right here. But yeah, this is just a wacky website, which I really do think you can absolutely make some money if you can outsmart other people. What I also really like about this is you can see a lot of the time, if I go to market cap, just to see, yeah, sort by market cap, just to see some of these, I mean, these trade like pure fear and greed. So if you think that you're a very good psychological price trader, I mean, this is just amazing. It's really amazing. So this one hit 100%, as you can see here. So it was listed on Radium. And yeah, so you can see Radium pool seated, view the coin on Radium here. So if I want to go to, yep, you can see that it's a real coin now. It left the site, or it's still on the site, but it actually made it. And you can see this coin went up like an ungodly amount of percent. Do I think it's worth it to, I don't know, put 0.05, 0.1 Solana into every single coin? I don't know if that's worth it. I mean, because sometimes you do get these moonshots. But yeah, let's try with this one. Why not? Just to see a quick little trade. I'll do this and then I'll probably end the video. But this website's really not too complicated. Let's see if it went through. To see if it went through, I can just hit sell. Yep, it went through right there. So as you can see, this website's just really not too complicated. It's just kind of fun to use, and I don't know. You never know. Like, the coin that you're buying could absolutely take off. I mean, it probably won't, but there's always a chance. And I thought that this was a website that was definitely worth talking about. I say that right as like everyone starts selling right here, as you can see, which is hilarious. I'm gonna see the other coin I have too. But yeah, this website really does nothing happen at all here. This website really does drag you in. It like, because it's just such an interesting way to trade, because there's so many different coins being listed. You can create your own coin even. And I mean, you just, all of these memes, it's really hilarious. Yeah, this one hit 100%, so that one actually got listed. And if you do create a coin that actually gets listed, I mean, then that would mean that you could make definitely a decent amount of money. But it's just interesting how these markets trade of fear, greed, because you can even see people in the chat that, are like, oh, send it, and then people freak out when it starts to like fall. So like right here at 22.30, the market actually fell, which was 6.30 here. Yeah, so 6.30 it began to fall, and it says this, yeah, big wallet out. Big wallet out means like the large person who wanted to sell already sold. Yeah, this is just such an interesting platform. Is it possible to make money? 100%, but you do have to have a very good strategy, I would say, if you're going to try to make money on this. But yeah, as you can see, we're already, I think, like at break even with this coin right here. Seems like there was a lot of selling after I got in, and now it seems like I'm not even down that much, which is nice. Yeah, it's just such an interesting platform, and I thought I had to cover it. Maybe on stream I can trade this a little bit more. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite DeFi platform of all time. Just, it's so meme-ish. Like, there's just so many jokes. It's all just a lot of memes. But if you're very good, like look at this one right here. But if you're very good at trading, basically fear and greed, and think that you can outsmart other people, then this could be a platform for you. Definitely don't deploy too much capital to this, but is it worth like 10, 20 bucks? Yeah, I mean, the fees are low. You can take trades of 0.02 Solana, and it's just kind of fun and interesting. And at the end of the day, you could also try to create your own coin here and create a whole king of the hill. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. This website's absolutely insane. There's just so much going on, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. Again, I do not endorse this website. This one is really out there. It's very meme-ish. It's also very gambly. A lot of like things popping out at you. But at the same time, if you can keep a cool head, and if you think that there's some way that you can predict when people are going to buy or predict when people are going to sell based on the chat that you see here. You know, hearing things about this one, some chat here, based on the trades, based on the visuals, based on the fact that you might see it pop up as king of the hill. These things can clue you in to whether you could potentially make money or not. So that's going to do it for today. I hope that you enjoyed Pump.Fun, and yeah, I feel like I'm going to be seeing this website on articles, people talking about it on Twitter. It's likely going to be one of the next big things in the meme side of the internet. With that, happy trading and go have some Pump.Fun. Again, not financial advice. I don't endorse this platform. If you want to use it, go ahead. If you don't, it's fine. I don't earn anything from you using it or from you not using it. Happy trading. Stay safe. Have fun.